And now we're going to discuss our third restaurant, which has been highly requested by many of you at home. It's a delicious and authentic gem that will transport you to Thailand. It's located in Coconut Grove and it's called Achana's Homegrown Thai.
Hi, my name is Achana Cappellini. I'm the owner of Achana's Homegrown Thai here in Coconut Grove. Our family has been in the restaurant business since 1978 here in Miami. I wanted to incorporate all the family recipe that we have had in past years. All of this recipes has been in the family since, when we were in Thailand and since we've been here. We have a small menu, so it's limited. Everything we do, I like to think that we do very well. Our noodles are spectacular. Any of the salad, the lap gai, the namsod, the noodle dish that are very popular would be, of course, the pad thai and then the pad see ew. Our customer feels that this has become a family, like a second home to them, because we do have locals that come in once a week. This is my home. A lot of the stuff that I decorate and everything here has a lot of personal feel to it. Achana's Homegrown Thai is a neighborhood restaurant that serves fresh, authentic food that all our customers are friends and family.
So you have to understand, you guys, this restaurant has been reviewed and sent in almost more than any other. So many people have asked us to review it. We just haven't had a chance to because we go through a lot of restaurants here in Czech Place. But we thought that this was a perfect time for the two of you to try it and tell us about it. Mike, what'd you think?
Well, it's a throwback because it's, again, in the heart of Coconut Grove. And, the Grove has gotten built up and fancified and
Boy,
all
has
these.
it changed,
yeah. I mean, I remember.
It ain't the old Grove.
Yeah. So you walk in, I guess this place has been here about 6 years, but it feels like the old Grove, and it's, very unpretentious and a little bit small and maybe a little cramped inside, but they got a lot of sidewalk seating. And, it's a place that's coming from, again, a mom and pop, run by a couple. The food and the flavors were very good.
All right, we'll get into food in just a sec. Michelle, what did you think first walking in?
First walking in, I thought that the interior was very casual. I liked the jigsaw puzzle type of decor that they had on the walls with the wood, the big mural with the people eating in the street, typical scene that you see in Bangkok. And I thought it was very welcoming. It seemed like a neighborhood-friendly spot as well.
Okay, let's get into the food. Mike, tell me about it.
We started with nam sa, it's the ground pork. Nice
It's
flavor.
one of my favorite.
Yeah.
They usually serve it on top of lettuce.
Yes.
So you can enjoy the freshness of the lettuce. It's a little spicy. Usually chilies in the Nuc Nam. Okay.
We ordered it medium and it had a sufficient punch and kick.
Okay.
Had that tiger tear salad, which is, like the
Beef?
sliced beef on top of lettuce.
How about your main course?
Main course, we got the basil ribs, which is one of their house specialties, and they modified it because the friend I went with had certain allergies, and they
Is
were.
it pork rib or beef rib?
It was I'm going to say beef rib. Yeah,
Okay.
very good flavor. They had to modify it a little bit to remove some carrots from the base and the sauce, but it was good. It was delectable. We plowed through the whole thing.
Okay. Michelle?
So we started with the larb gai, which is a minced chicken salad. It's very herbaceous. It has this very zesty tamarind sauce that kept us coming back for more. It's quite generous for a salad. It had a lot of the chicken. So we had to pace ourselves because we had more things coming. The second thing that we had was the pad kimao, which translates to drunken noodles.
Okay.
I asked, what does this mean? Are they made with alcohol? Why are they drunken? And apparently, pad kimao, drunken noodles, are popular in Thailand because people have them as a late night dish after a night of drinking.
How was your Thai donuts?
The Thai donuts were delicious as well. They came with a few dipping options. They had crushed nuts, shredded coconut, this caramel sauce, and everything was drizzled with condensed milk.
That's
Yeah.
Yes.
Always. Yeah,
Very
traditional.
nice.
Tell me a little bit about service.
So the service was a little scattered. The usual front of the house person is the husband of Achana, and he wasn't there that night. So I guess when he's around, I think maybe it's a little bit of a tighter ship.
Understood.
Yeah.
Understood. How about pricing?
I thought it was fair. I went for lunch, and I thought that the dishes were quite abundant. We had a lot of leftovers. I thought it was a good value.
I thought it was a little on the higher side, but again, knowing where it is, it's a high rent district now, and I'm spoiled because I live in Broward, and we have a lot of good Thai places that have similar dishes and flavors,
Sure.
but a little bit lower priced.
Okay.
But for the neighborhood, I can understand why.
Is parking right now difficult in Coconut Grove?
Yes,
yeah.
quite challenging. We went
Not
for
that
lunch.
was really a question, but
Yeah.
go ahead.
Yeah, no, the parking can be a challenge. We went early for an early lunch, so we found parking quickly, but every time I go to the Grove, I have that problem. So I can see that being a situation sometime.
Okay. Well, Achana's Homegrown Thai was our audience pick. So Mike, sum it up for us.
I would say I could see why it's a very popular spot in that neighborhood with locals because it has really, authentic traditional Thai flavors in a unpretentious setting.
Michelle?
Yeah, I have to agree. Authentic Thai in casual environment with really nice people watching in the heart of the Grove.
Okay, for creative and locally sourced Thai dishes, you can head on over to Achana's Homegrown Thai, located at 3194 Commodore Plaza in Coconut Grove. Reservations are accepted where the average price for dinner without drinks is about $65.